Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Hi.
Hello.
Can you sing?
Yes, I can sing. I love singing songs.
Do you play soccer?
Yes, I play soccer. It's my favorite sport.
Can you play the piano?
No, I can't play the piano, but I want to learn.
Do you have a brother?
Yes, I have a brother. He is older than me.
Can you read?
Yes, I can read. I read books every day.
Do you like carrots?
Yes, I like carrots. They are crunchy.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like school. I learn new things.
Can you climb trees?
Yes, I can climb trees. It's an adventure.
Can you fly a kite?
Yes, I can fly a kite. It's fun on windy days.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I like apples. They are sweet and juicy.
Can you write your name?
Yes, I can write my name. It's easy.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I have a best friend. We play together.
Can you skate?
No, I can't skate, but I want to try.
Can you make a snowman?
Yes, I can make a snowman. It's fun in winter.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I like chocolate. It's delicious.
Can you whistle?
No, I can't whistle, but I'm learning.
Can you tell a joke?
Yes, I can tell a joke. Want to hear one?
Do you like to paint?
Yes, I like to paint. It's creative.
Can you play basketball?
Yes, I can play basketball. It's a great game.
Do you like camping?
Yes, I like camping. It's an adventure in nature.
Can you do puzzles?
Yes, I can do puzzles. They are challenging.
Can you roller skate?
No, I can't roller skate, but I want to learn.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetables. They are healthy.
Can you make your bed?
Yes, I can make my bed. I do it every morning.
Do you like to play outside?
Yes, I like to play outside. It's exciting.
Can you tell the time?
Yes, I can tell the time. It's 3 o'clock.
Can you make a paper plane?
Yes, I can make a paper plane. It flies well.
Do you like hot chocolate?
Yes, I like hot chocolate. It's warm and tasty.
Do you like fairy tales?
Yes, I like fairy tales. They are magical.
Can you sew?
No, I can't sew, but I want to try.
Do you like puzzles?
Yes, I like puzzles. They are fun to solve.
Can you juggle?
No, I can't juggle, but I want to learn.
Do you like fairy tales?
Yes, I like fairy tales. They are magical.